Hey y'all, so where we at? I don't even know
We're
where
at
we're
the Magical Winter Lights outside of Houston.
Magical Winter Lights outside of Houston. You see I'm sweating because we've been walking and whatever. So now I'm about to show y'all in a second. I'm about to take this little trolley ride and I'll show you guys as we're going.
All right.
This is my outfit of the day and we're matching. Typical wife stuff. The windmill is a symbol of the Netherlands, with more than 2,000 throughout the country. The Dutch love their windmills and often praise them in folk songs and proverbs. The towers of the windmills are always decorated delicately. These windmills are surrounded by garlands, and the sun and stars are here to celebrate. It's so cute. So I'll add that to the vlog. Oh, that's how you do it. Hey y'all, this place is so amazing. I'm trying to get as much footage as I can for y'all. I've just been relaxing, trying to get myself together and enjoy my life. Okay?
We got all kinds of footage.
Be so happy. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna record some more. So we finally left and on my way home. We're probably just gonna pick something up and go home and eat. If I was going out to eat for dinner, I'll probably record that, but we did go out for lunch, and I'll probably drop those pictures down below. Well, my pic will be boring because I have to watch what I eat, but I'll post what he had as well. Alright guys, good night. Hey guys, so this is Sunday, day 2. We're about to go on another date. This time we're going to lunch, movie, and then dinner, I guess, because I'm not cooking. I've been trying to take it easy so that my blood pressure can go down. But I'll be cooking for Christmas, as y'all know. Anyway, I'll get back on once we get to wherever we eating at, which is probably gonna be something simple, considering we're going to dinner. Hey y'all, so I'm in the car. What movie we seen again? I forgot. I wanted to tell them.
Aquaman.
That's today.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we're gonna see Aquaman in 3D at the theaters today. Right now we're just gonna get I think some pizza, and that's it. I've been chilling all weekend and I'm very happy. Clearing my mind with good company and positive vibes. Anyway, when I come back, I'll show you guys what I'm eating for dinner, as well as how the movie was. But right after this tonight, I'll be live tonight around 8 p.m. I'll be live. Okay guys, so yeah, I got my glasses on, you know I'm blind. But we just got out the movies and we saw Aquaman. It was really good. I'm not gonna give anything away because I don't know if anyone wanted to see it, but Aquaman was really good. Yep, so I'm about to head home. I don't think I'm gonna upload this video before my live comes out, but if you see this video after my live, go back and watch my live while I meal prep for Christmas dinner.